Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome again in virtual learning system of Pakistan International School Taif, Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. As you know that this is Pakistan International School Taif online class for class 9 students. Subject is computer science and this is our 17th lecture or 17th video. Teacher name Imran Ahmed. Zoom meeting ID to contact me on these days and this timing is 332-629-9208. So keep in mind the time. So I will be available on that timings. In the previous lecture, when we were discussing the short question answer of chapter number 5, we have skipped the two short questions. Today, inshallah, we will discuss that those two short questions we have already skipped. First question. So now I want to remove the double stretch through from this question, which is why star topology is more reliable than bus or ring topology. Our previous topic was in the long question. We have discussed this topology in very detail. Which one are the topologies were bus topology, ring topology, star topology, and mesh topology. Now the question says, this is general question, why star topology is more reliable. It means that why we implement or why we will prefer star topology as compared to bus or ring topology. Answer of this question is star topology is more reliable than bus and ring topology, because star topology provides what? Fast communication between computers. Fast communications between computers. Why fast communication? Because when you send any data to any destination or from one node to another node, first it comes to the switch and switch will decide the proper destination. That's why fast communication between them. Easy to connect new device to the network. Easy to connect the new device to the network. I told you before when we were discussing the star topology that the switch is used and the switch based on the ports. If you have, let's say, a 8 pin, 8 pin switch, 8 port switch you have in your office, and already there are 5 computers are attached to that switch. So you can attach 3 more computer to that switch to make a local area network or to make a star topology. So easily you can connect that 3 more computer to in a network. Why? Because the switch have 3 more ports over there. Next, easy to detect and fix faults. Easy to detect and fix faults means if any device or if any node is not working, so switch will decide easily that this device is working or not. So fix faults mean, so if it is detected, so if the problem is in cable, so easily you can remove that previous faulted cable and install the new cable very easily. Next is failure of one computer does not stop the network. Failure of one computer. It means that in a star topology, if 5 computers are already connected to the switch and the 4 are working and the 5th computer is not working, it doesn't mean that computer network will be stopped, although the computer number 5 is not working, but due to the switch, what happened, so all the 4 computers can can send the data to each other. So failure of one computer does not stop the network. Over here the word is the network. Failure of one computer does not stop the network. It means that network will be exist and they still continue or move the data from one to another computer. So this one short question. There is some problem in the network or internet over here. That's why Zoom was stop working. Now it's okay, inshallah. Okay, next question, which we have skipped over here. Mention any three problems which may occur if peer-to-peer network is used for large number of users in an organization. Mention any three problems which may occur if peer-to-peer network is used for if organization is very large and you want to install or you want to use a peer-to-peer network, then what happened over here? Mention some problems or mention three problems at least you can define. So first one, large peer. In order to understand this question, you must know about the peer-to-peer network. In peer-to-peer network, I already explained each computer can be a server or destination or both. So keep in mind this word, each computer can be a server, can be a destination or the client, or can be a both. Why I am saying this one can be a server? When he will share its data to any other computer, at that time it will be a server. When this computer, that computer will access the resource of other computer, at that time it will be called the destination. When at the same time it will accessing the data from other computer and sharing its any data to any other computer, at that time it will call the both. It means that peer-to-peer network have, what is the properties of peer-to-peer network? It can be a server, it can be a client, or it can be both. Both means it can be a server or client both at the same time. Now we already discussed the peer-to-peer network in very detail in the previous topics. So over here, if any organization which is very large organization and organization want to install peer-to-peer network, what problems they will occur? Large peer-to-peer networks becomes difficult to manage. First is difficult to manage. Difficult to manage means how can he will decide the which destination or which peripheral device is present at where the printer is installed at that time. So it is very difficult to install. Large peer-to-peer network become difficult to manage. So it is very difficult to manage. Not provide any centralized security. Not provide centralized, unlike in a client server or in a client server where one computer is a server and rest are computer or client, they provide the centralized security. Centralized security means at that time, which is a server, it will provide the centralized security to all other computers. But over here, all computers are clients, all computers are server. That's why no centralized security is over there. So it is a major problem can exist in any organization. No single person is administrator. No, everyone is the administrator. No single person. Everyone is the administrator of his own node or of his own computer. Let's say I am sitting in the examination office, so at that time I am the administrator of that computer. Another person is sitting at account office, so he is the administrator of his own computer. So no centralized security and no single person is the administrator, and every person can be administrator. Individual user have complete control over resources of their computers. Let's say I don't want to share my printer to any other office, so I will not give the result. But if someone need it very badly or very hardly, then at that time what happened? So this one problem can be occur in any organization. Individual user have complete control over resource of their computer. So I can say that this is my computer. I don't want to share this one. So this kind of problem can be occur in any area. So these are the problems can be faced any organization if they want to install or if they want to prepare a network like peer-to-peer. So these are the difficulties we have discussed. These two short question we have skipped when we were discussing these topics. So now these two questions are completed. I hope all short questions are completed. Now all long questions are completed. Means that our exercise is complete. I checked over there. No any other topic is remaining because all in the chapter, all the topics are present in exercise which we have performed. Now we will perform the MCQs of chapter number 5 and this on computer networks. Select the best answer for the following MCQs. Already I have selected, so before solving this one, you should do yourself. Means that in which, first one, in which of the following transmission mode information is transmitted in both direction but not simultaneous. Over here the word is not simultaneously. If I remove the word simultaneously, then its answer will be changed. But over here, if not simultaneously, so a simplex mode, already we have explained the simplex mode only send the data, while no sender can send the data while recipient can accept the data. In half duplex mode, what happened? Sender can send the data, then it can receive the data, but not simultaneously. So our first MCQ's answer is B part, which is half duplex mode. C was full duplex mode and D is high speed mode. So this one, our answer is half duplex mode. Second MCQ. In which of the following network every computer can act as client, server, or both at the same time? Before MCQs, we have discussed already this topic, and this one is answer is peer-to-peer network. But the other options are A, client-server network, B, peer-to-peer network, C, point-to-point network, and D, local area network. So my answer is peer-to-peer network, because in peer-to-peer network, each computer can be a client, each computer can be a server, or each computer can be both. It means that client or server. Third MCQs, which of the following network provides centralized security? So this is very easy. Client server network is my answer, and other options are peer-to-peer, point-to-point network, or local area network. So over here, the answer is client server network. So centralized security provide a server which is using client server network. Number 4, which of the following computers share resources on network for the other to use? Which computers share resources? Desktop computer, client computer share resource, server computer share resource, or microcomputer share resource? So my answer is server. Server is also a computer, although, but when it will share its resource, we call at that time it is a server. So my answer is server. C part, C option is correct option. Number 5, which of the following topology is most expensive to implement? Already we have discussed in the yesterday this topic. Star topology, although it is expensive, but not that much expensive. Bus topology, no. Ring topology is very cheap, and yes, mesh topology is very expensive or most expensive to implement. Why? Because every computer need 4 to 5 less than nodes in. They need the cables less than one. For example, if there are n computers, then how many cables it will need? N minus 1 cable it will be needed. So mesh topology is very expensive to implement. Number 6, in which of the following topology switch is required? Yes, switch already we have discussed in star topology word we were using switch again and again. If I remove the switch with Ethernet or with cable, then my answer will, at that time my answer will be bus. But over here they say the switch is used. So my option or my answer is star topology. In star topology, switch is used. A is star, B is bus, C is ring, and D is mesh. So over here, switch is used in star topology. My answer is star topology. Next, number 7. Which of the following network is used to provide cable TV internet service? Cable TV internet service. So cable TV provide within a city, cable TV used in a city. So my answer over here is metropolitan area network provide us cable TV internet service. But other options are local area network, no. Wide area network, no. Metropolitan area network. So in a city in Pakistan, most of the people use the cable TV network or cable TV internet. So we can say that this one is called the metropolitan area network. D option is point to point. So my option or my correct answer is metropolitan area network. You can say that MAN, M-A-N capital. Next question. Next MCQs is which of the following provides high-speed internet connection? Already we have discussed in the yesterday topics. Our last topic was what differentiate between the DSL and the dial-up modem. So DSL was the best option to provide high-speed internet connection. Over here, my answer is DSL connection. The other options are dial-up connection. No, it is very, very slow. DSL connection, yes, it is very, very fast. So my answer is DSL. The other options are ISDN connection and CDMA connection. My answer is, or answer number B is DSL connection. Number 9, which of the following network connects computer across cities, countries, and continents? So wide area network is the best option, best answer for this MCQ. My answer is wide area network. We can say that WAN capital. So other options are local area network. No local area network exists in one building. Wide area network covers the continents, countries. So my answer is this one, wide area. Metropolitan area used in within a city. And client server network is different from the other option. So my answer is wide area network. Number 10, which of the following network topology use a device called terminator? In bus topology, I told you at the end of cable, we use a terminator or observer. So my answer is over here is C, which is bus topology. The other options are ring topology, B, mesh topology, C, bus topology, and D is star topology. So my answer over here is bus. Over here, our chapter number 5 is complete. Inshallah, next lecture we will discuss the chapter number 6, which is the last chapter of our course. Till then, take care and Allah Hafiz.